These are the Schindler 9300 AE escalators at the Museum of Fine Arts in Houston, Texas. I decided to record this because this escalator is like 2 stories high. And over there are the elevators, and the left elevator car is broken. This is obviously a Schindler because the elevators are Schindler. Schindler 9300 AE from, I believe, 1998. And I kind of have to point the camera partially down. To avoid filming people. I'm not gonna refilm the elevators because I already recorded them a while back and they still run exactly the same like how it did before. And I believe that is your key switch to turn on and off the escalator or to switch direction. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.